Next question number 4. A pen stand made up of wood is in the shape of a cuboid with 4 conical depressions to hold the pens. So it is a pen stand. This cuboid is a wooden cuboid. These 4 are the conical depressions. So they hollowed out this conical depression portion to keep the pens. So these 4 portions, conical portion is hollowed out from this wooden cuboidal box. So this is the pen stand. Pen stand is a combination of cuboid and 4 conical portions. Next, the dimensions. The dimensions of the cuboid: length is equals to 15 centimeter, breadth is equals to 10 centimeter, height is equals to 3.5 centimeters. 3.5 centimeters. The radius of the each conical depression is 0.5 centimeter, and depth is nothing but height. Is height of the conical portion. The height of the conical depression is 1.4 centimeter. Here we need to find the volume of the wood in entire stand. So here we need to find volume of the pen stand. So pen stand is a combination of cube. These 4 impressions, the depressions are there. No, that one we need to remove it. So this portion is hollowed out from the wood. So volume of pen stand is equals to volume of cuboid minus 4 into volume of cone. So here 4 cones are there. Just I am removing 4 conical portions. Volume of cuboid formula is LBH minus 4 into volume of cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So this is substitute all the values. L is 15. So 15 into 10 into 3.5 minus this one is 4 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7 into r is equals to 0.5 into 0.5 into h is equals to 1.4. So simplify. Here 10 into 30, 10 into 3.5 is 35, 35 into 15, 15 5s are 75, 7, 15 3s are 45, 7, 52. So 525 minus cancellation, 7 1s are 7 2s are 14. And simply just to forget about decimal, 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 50, 50 4s are 200. That means 0.2, 22 into 0.2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4.4. That is 4.4 by 3. So that is equals to 525 minus 3 1s are 3, 14, 3 4s are 12, 20, 3 6 are 18. So 525 minus 1.46, 525 minus 1.46. 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 4 is 5, 4 minus 1 is 3. So 523.54 centimeter cube is the volume of the pen stand. So volume of the pen stand is equals to 523.54 centimeter. Question number 5. A vessel is in the form of an vertical cone. Its height is 8 centimeters. Height of the cone is equals to 8 centimeter, and the radius of its top, which is open, is 5 centimeter. So radius of the cone is equals to 5 centimeter, and height is 8 centimeters. It is filled with the water up to the brim. So water is filled up to the brim. Where lead shards, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5 centimeter, dropped into the vessel. So here some lead shards are there. So lead shards shape is spherical shape. The radius of the lead shard is equals to 0.5 centimeters. 0.5 centimeter are dropped into the vessel. So 1/4 of water is flowed outside. 1/4 of water is flowed out. So find the number of lead shards dropped into the vessel. So here we need to find the number of lead shards. I am taking number of lead shards equals to some n. So how much volume these lead shards occupies, that amount of water will come outside from this cone. So here some water is spilled outside, spilled outside, that is the volume of this water is equals to 1/4 volume of the cone. So that means the volume of this lead shards is equals to 1/4 volume of the cone. So how much volume this lead shard occupies, that amount of water will come outside from the cone. So this water is 1/4 volume of the cone. Volume of lead shards is equals to spin. So volume of lead shards, we have n lead shards are there. So n into volume of lead shard is equals to how much water is filled, that is 1/4 volume of the cone, that is equals to 1/4 into volume of cone. So here n into volume of sphere formula is 4/3 pi r cube is equals to 1/4 into volume of cone formula is 1/4 into 1/3 pi r square h. So pi cancel. So remaining terms n into 4/3 into r value is equals to r is 0.5, that is equals to 0.5 cube is equals to 1/4 into 312 into r square. R is equals to 5 square, h equals to 8 centimeters. So we need to find number of lead shards. N is equals to 1/12 into 5 into 5 into 8 into this 4/3. If we transpose right side, it changes like this: 3/4, 0.5, 1/0.5 into 1/0.5 into 1/0.5. Just to remove point, you get 10, 10, 10. Now 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 ones are 5 twos are. Next cancellation, 3 ones 3 fours are 4, 2 twos are 4, cancel. Next 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 fours are. So n is equals to 5 5s are 25, 25 fours are 100. So therefore the number of lead shards equals to number of lead shards equals to 100. Next, question number 6. A solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 centimeters and base diameter is 24 centimeter. Here the first cylinder height is 220 centimeter, diameter is equals to 24 centimeter. So here we have two cylinders, cylinder 1 and cylinder 2. The dimensions of cylinder 1, height is 220, diameter is 24, radius is by 2, 24/2 is 12 centimeters, which is surmounted by another cylinder. The height of the cylinder is 60 centimeter and the radius is 8 centimeter. So here another cylinder is surmounted on the first cylinder. Height of the second cylinder is 60 centimeter, radius is equals to 8 centimeters. Find the mass of the pole given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 grams mass. So here we need to use pi value 3.14. So the shape is like that. First one, it is a cylindrical portion. Another cylinder is surmounted. So this one is surmounted on first cylinder. So the portion is like this. So first we need to find, this is a iron pillar, iron pole. First we need to find the volume of this cylinder 1 and volume of cylinder 2 is the total volume of the iron pole. So volume of iron pole is equals to volume of cylinder 1 plus volume of cylinder 2. So that is equals to volume of cylinder formula is pi r square h pi r1 square h1 pi r2 square h2. So that is equals to pi is common, r1 square h1 plus r2 square h2. So substitute pi into r1 square h1 plus r2 square h2. This to substitute all the values. Pi, it is given in the question, that is 3.14. r1 is 12 square, h1 is 220, r2 is 8 square, h2 is 16. So 12 square is 144, 8 square is 64. So 144 into 220 is 31,680. 64 into 60 is 3840. So 3840 plus 31,680 is equals to 35,520. So 35,520 into 3.14 is equals to 11,000 by 32.8 centimeter cube is the volume of the iron pole. So here our question is, we need to find the weight of the iron pole. So mass of the iron pole is equals to, it is given in the question, 1 centimeter cube. 1 centimeter cube weight is 8 grams. So our iron pole volume is 11,532.8 centimeter cube is equals to how many grams? So that is nothing but 11,532.8 into 8. So we will get 892 264.4 grams. If you convert into kgs by 1000, that is 892.26 kgs is the total weight of the iron pole.